Forex market analysis that follows institutional cycles on price and time is a very difficult task. Also, marking important levels and time derived from this analysis on multiple charts can be time-consuming and complex. In addition to this, human error is highly possible, which will destabilize the trading system completely. To combat this, we built our proprietary MT5 indicators that automatically do some of this analysis and just present us with important information derived from the analysis. We have 4 complex MT5 indicators in our pack. We have the Tom's Capital market structure, contract cycle, price time structure, and swing dealing range indicators. These indicators are available on our data Telegram channel for all members. The link to join the data channel is in the description of this video. So if you have access to these indicators or any other MT5 indicator but you are wondering how do I install this on my MetaTrader 5, don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to install everything correctly, step by step, so your chart looks exactly like ours for setup and for entries. If you are new to the channel, welcome to Tom's Capital, where we trade the forex market with market facts and institutional figures. If you are ready for an upgrade to your trading, go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the setup tutorial. The first step is to go to our official Telegram data channel, and at the top of the page you will find the indicator pack pinned as seen right here. Once you land on the data channel, the first message you see will be a welcome message, or you will see the Tom's Capital MT5 indicator pack. Once you get the indicator pack, so you just click on that message. After you click, you'll be taken to the message where that indicator pack is uploaded. The next thing you want to do is to click on the name of that indicator pack. Once you click on that, the indicator pack will be opened. You will see all the 4 indicators as seen right now. So the next thing you want to do after you have access to this page is to open your MetaTrader 5. After opening your MT5, you go to File, and on File you click on Open Data Folder. Once you open Data Folder, you will see all these folders as listed here. You want to click on MQL5, and after clicking MQL5, you select the Indicators folder. Right inside this indicator folder is where you want to put all the indicators. Then you come back to where you have your indicators. You select all 4 indicators and drag them inside that indicator folder. Because I already have the indicators here, that's why it's telling me to replace or skip these files. I'll just skip the files, and you can already see right now I have all the indicators inside that folder. So you want to close that folder and go back to your MT5. So you can refresh your MT5. So to add these indicators to your charts, you click Ctrl N on your keyboard, and right here under indicator you will see the indicators added. If you don't see them, what you'll do is you right click inside this navigation section, then click refresh. After clicking refresh, you definitely will see those indicators right here. So to add them to the chart, you just drag from here and drag to the charts and click OK. Immediately you do that, you will see the indicator added. So for setup, we only need the contract cycle indicator and the swing dealing range indicator. So we've already added the contract cycle indicator. The next one is the swing dealing range indicator. You drag it to the chart and click OK. So immediately you click OK, you have the 2 indicators added. So you can clearly see the indicators. All the levels are marked. If you are a regular member on the channel, you know what these levels represent, and all this line, you know what they represent. So once you have that marked, what you want to do next is to save the template. So you right click on the chart, go to template and click save template. Then you want to name the template setup. After typing the name, you click save. So automatically you have the template saved. So any chart you want to add this template on, you just go to new chart, add your chart, right click on the chart, then go to template and select setup. Then all the indicators for the setup will be added to your chart, as you can see right now. So let's go back to the Euro USD chart to create the template for entry. So I'll go back to plain charts. For entry, we need the Thumbs Capital Market Structure Indicator. So you click on that, drag it to your chart and click OK. So we have all the structure points added. The second indicator that we use for entry is the Thumbs Capital Price Time Structure. You drag it to your charts and click OK. So that will automatically be added too. As you can see, if you are a regular member of the channel, you already know what these are. It's marking the weekly contract and also the intra-week contract, as well as the evaluation and re-evaluation phase of the weekly contract. With this, you have your entry template ready. On my entry chart, I like to also add the swing dealing range indicator so that I can see where we are in case I don't want to change charts to look at the setup chart. Once I have my setup and I'm on the entry chart, I won't need to go back to know where we are with reference to the dealing range. So that's why I also have my dealing range indicator on the chart. So this is what our setup chart looks like. And the next thing you want to do once you've added all the indicator is to click on the chart, go to template and save this as your entry template. Once you have that saved, you can apply it to any chart that you want to trade. So here is the pound USD chart with the setup template on it. So if I want to change this to entry template, I'll just right click, go to template and select entry. And immediately I do that, you can see that the chart is changed and we can now see the market structure. We can see the weekly contract, intra-week contract, and also the dealing range. So that is how to install our indicator pack and also install any MT5 indicator that you have. That brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to like the video. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great day.